In this video I'm going to show you how to add an alternative Islamic calendar on your iPhone's calendar application. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and there scroll down for a bit until you find Calendar. Now there get into Alternative Calendars. And there you can switch between three different types of alternative calendars. It could be Chinese, Hebrew or Islamic. I'll select Islamic for that case, and now I can go back to my calendar app. And now there, as you see, another digits appeared just underneath the main digits. So now I got the main number here is 17, for example, and underneath the big number there is another number, it's 15, and there is a date in Islamic calendar. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.